Are you tired of breaking your back using these?
Yes.
Get rid of them. You need a pallet buster.
What? Isn't this what it's for?
That's exactly what it's for.
Knew it.
So if you are, we'll show you how to bust apart a pallet in less than 10 minutes with this pallet buster that you can get for $50 on Amazon. Let's do it. Step 1, get a pallet. Step 2, get a pallet buster. Step 3, get to work. She's doing it for me. So she starts on the outside and then does each outside, leaves the end piece in the end, or one end piece rather, sorry. A lot of times it does help to have two people, somebody weigh it down, but that makes life so much easier. The wind is a little much because there's a hurricane, but in true Florida man and woman style, we're out here filming a video for y'all. Look at that. So literally, she got, aside from the middle piece, she finished that in, what was that, a minute, less than a minute or two? Now she's on the middle. Help her by, weighing it down. Easy. Oh geez. Sometimes a man's got to do the job. But this literally makes it so much easier than with a hammer and pry bar. That's the way I used to do it, and to build whatever I was building, and I hated it. Sitting there for hours, just hammering away and breaking your back, literally like hurting. It's just not worth it. You can invest a little bit in that, and it's a game changer. Is it not, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was it? You told me that I could do pallets, so I started with a hammer and a pry bar, and I was like, I don't think so. This isn't gonna work for me. So that's when I got on Amazon and bought it.
Yeah. It was her idea. I'll give her that. Great idea. The other tool that you do need that we tossed off so gallantly is a hammer. And what you do need this for, unless you want it, you really do need it, is for the nails. So
if you want to use this part, you gotta wedge them out with the hook.
Yeah, hook them out. Or with the board themselves, she likes it, but we'll hammer them out just like that. Which, as you can see, is already coming out. If anything, this is the most tedious part of it, but she enjoys it. Yes, she does very much. So I gladly let her do it.
It's my Saturday morning project. Which a heavier hammer helps. This is actually the hammer from my son's toolbox.
Her 12-year-old son's toolbox. So. Yeah, hammer out the nails and bang, bang, boom. You're done. You got a pallet. Do whatever you want with it.
We will note that this one was super easy to bust apart, but the longer a pallet sits, if it gets wet or any kind of weathering,
expands, whatever,
and then when it dries up, it contracts back tighter against the nails. So the older a pallet is, we found that it's harder to pry it apart.
It does get harder. So as soon as you get a pallet, I would say don't let it sit like these here, because it's hard. Also, last note, if you're trying to garden organic and you're making garden beds, you want it to be stamped HT, nothing else. HT means heat treated. It means they didn't fumigate it, they didn't use pesticides, herbicides, whatever in it, and so you don't have to worry about those chemicals leaching into your soil, or even in your house if you're doing a little project that's going to hang on the wall or give to somebody.
It was here, but it's
But-
blurry.
It'll be a black stamp usually that just says HT. So the more you know. Thanks for watching.
The Daryl and Tony Show.
Out. Alright.